Hello friends, it's Tanya with Tinkering and Ink with Tanya, and today I'm doing a video in collaboration with Jenny Hall, a good friend of mine, doing Stencil Techniques. I took that inspiration color combo and this Starry Night stencil from Hero Arts, and I'm going to create some panels that I sent to Jenny Hall to make a card with. I'm using Fruit Punch, Creamsicle, and Lemon Drop inks, Hero Arts Reactive inks, and a mini ink blender. I've stored all of mine on a sheet of paper cardstock and Velcro dots so that they're all organized and easy to access. I took some pixie spray adhesive that I'm going to spray onto the back of the stencil so that it holds nice and tight against the cardstock while I'm doing my blending. It's a repositionable, and if you don't scrub it off, it lasts for a few uses. So I'm going to take my blenders and blend those quickly over the stencil. I start in the middle with the color that's going to combine with the other two, kind of that rainbow effect. That's my method. And then go over each of these sections until I'm happy with the result. And then I'm going to take some pearlized water and spritz that over the panel. So pearlized water is just a little bit of perfect pearls. Added some water in a spray bottle, which I keep on my desk all the time. So I spritz that just a few times, peel the stencil off, and then I'm going to set that aside to dry. I have 4 pieces of cardstock that I'm going to play with today. And then I just flip the stencil over. It's still wet from the pearlized water, and let that absorb into the watercolor paper a little bit. And I thought, oh, there's still lots of ink left on there, so let's do another panel and see what we can do. So first I think, oh, I'll pop it down over the top, but let's be smart and tip it, set the stencil down and put the cardstock on top like you would with a background stamp, a large background stamp. And then I just use another piece of paper to protect my hand from all of the ink on the stencil. I think that was my favorite one. It turned out amazing. And that was the 3rd inking. Now I decided to go one more time. I still haven't sprayed it again. I just spritzed that stencil once with the very first panel. And I still get a lovely result with the 4th panel. Here they are. That is I think that's the first of the spritzed. Oh, nope. Just look at how the order I put them down in. It's been a while since I recorded this. And that's all of those panels. Be sure you go over to Jenny's blog and check out the card that she makes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a goal of getting to at least 5,000 subscribers. We're almost there. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.